Hello. Today we begin a new series which is becoming emotionally mature. Emotions, as we all experience, are complex and contradictory. Therefore, emotional maturity is not a fixed state of perfection. It is a cultivated capacity, one that grows through self-awareness and psychological understanding. It is an ongoing process. It reflects the ability to hold, regulate one's impulses, and tolerate the demands of reality without collapsing or taking too much of stress. It also calls us to be connected to our true self and be authentic. So when you stay with what you feel and outgrow that, what once controlled you, you become emotionally mature. Thank you so much.